This car was stolen at that park. So I'm not messing around. Lock that in. Well, then someone probably could have backed it up and put it in the garage, but they do have a camera, so. Anyway, 09 Highlander. We're doing a key for it. Toyota Highlander. Keyless. Doesn't turn on, that's fine. I'm gonna do reset keyless. Driver door is open. 16 minutes. Alright, let's see what time is that. 10 o'clock. And again, how much at the dealership?
$800, man.
For this key?
For that key.
And then you called around too, right? Because your buddy called me. And he said, I got a guy. And then you called around, you couldn't find cheaper. But I'll tell you the other thing. I use OEM keys. A lot of the guys don't even use OEM and are charging more. So, like, some people don't realize when they call around, they're like, oh, I got someone like $20 less. I'm like, yeah, but you're getting a key that's, like, going to last you 2 months. It happens. So. But yeah, we got about 10 minutes left on it.
I have 2 keys to pull up today.
No problem. No problem.
Okay, thank
Give
you.
me a minute. Yeah. Let me get logged in. Alright, we're still going on here. Yeah, so basically right now I'm resetting the system. With the machine that I'm using, it takes 15 minutes, and then once it's reset, then we'll program keys. Alright, got that lockout. There's a code on there. What's your key code? You cut that.
Oh, okay.
All right. Okay, we'll go by vehicle. Toyota Highlander. It's the 4000 series. How do I know? How do I know, guys? Because on the lock it starts with a 4. Pretty easy. Alright, we got our door key cut. Let's try it out. Yep, that turns. Well, we just gotta wait on the remote. It's not actually, hold on. Okay. Let me get the new fob. What time is it? Oh, it's exactly 15. Okay, cool. Put new keyless up here. Okay. There we go. Came on. Success. Okay. There we go. It's a hybrid, so that's considered on, right? Yeah.
Once it says ready over there.
Oh yeah, it says ready. Yeah. Yeah. Cool.
Yeah.
OEM. Is the logo on there? So like an original key.
Gotcha.
I like to hear the cars. Should fire out.
It's really silent, this car. When
Is
you
it
start
really?
it. Yeah.
Till it like needs to kick on. Oh, there it goes. I hear it.
Yep.
Cool. Yeah, we're on there.